If you want to create QR codes for contactless payments using Unicode, you're in the right place. But before you commit, let's quickly go over how it works, what it does well, and where it falls short, so you don't waste time setting up something that might not be the best fit. Plus, at the end, I'll show you an alternative that offers a better deal and extended free trial, so stick around. First, Unicode makes it simple to generate dynamic QR codes that link to a payment page. Instead of handling cash or card payments manually, customers scan the code, pay through their preferred method, and you get instant transactions. It supports major payment processors like Stripe, PayPal, and even Venmo, so setup is straightforward. Next, setting up a QR code is quick. Once logged into Unicode, select Create QR Code, choose Website as the type, and paste your payment link. If you're using Stripe, PayPal, or another service, make sure the link directs to a checkout page. Customize the design, add branding, and test the QR code to ensure it's scannable from different angles. The next thing to know, while Unicode's QR codes are highly customizable, they lack built-in payment analytics. If you want real-time tracking of transactions directly inside the platform, you'll have to integrate with third-party tools. Some competitors offer this natively. Another issue, pricing. While Unicode has a free trial, it's fairly limited. If you need multiple QR codes, branded designs, or advanced analytics, you'll need a paid plan. And compared to some alternatives, the price can add up quickly. If you're looking for a more feature-packed solution with better tracking and lower costs, I've linked an exclusive extended free trial to a better alternative in the description. It gives you full customization, real-time analytics, and a more flexible pricing model. Plus, I've included a few other options that might fit your needs better, all with free trials. So check the link below and see which one works best for you.